Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Coach Margine, and I am here to just do a little tutorial on units or topics. This particular group is a training group, so it is an educational group, so it's set up with units. And as you can see, what I'm working on is I'm working from a computer. Now, you may not be able to do some of these things on a phone, so you're going to have to use a computer to do some of this work. I'm not real sure, but I believe that that's what you're going to have to do because I know I can't see discussion on my mobile unit. So you should be able to see announcements from a mobile unit. So for this particular group, I have the um, advertisers cheat sheet in the group here as an announcement so that you can actually get to this file. And you can click on this link here to get to the Google Doc. You can save it if you want to your Google Doc so you always have access to it. But what I'm going to do is we've had a question concerning topics. So if you scroll over here now, the view that I have is the owner of this group. So if you're in your personal group, when you get into your group, you should see your banner. You should see managing group data over here. You'd have an option to pick a different group. If you wanted to go from this group to another group, you'd see home. You'd see all your admin tools where you can check on membership requests and do your approval. You can run reports and you can check out like units and so on and so forth. So I do topics and I have topics set up. Right now, I only have 3 topics set up. If I had more, you just click on see more. So let's say I want to take this particular post and I want to put it under the topic how to. So what I would do is hit the 3 little dots, say I want to add a post topic. And then from there, the options that are available will come up, okay? So if I wanted to add it to tools or how to or whatever I felt the topic appropriate, you can only have 1 topic per post and then save it. So now when people come over to my group and they go over here to the topics, they can click on, oh, there's 14 posts on the how to. Click on that, and then they're going to be able to get all the content that has to do with how to and be able to possibly find what they're looking for. Our Sunday Hangouts, if you just want to look at all the posts having to do with my Sunday Facebook Live, you just go over there, click on that, and all the content will be in one place. You can go pick the date of the hangout that maybe you missed, you weren't able to be there, or you never caught the replay, okay? That's how that works. So, if you have existing content right now in your group and you do not have it tagged to a topic, you can do that. And I just showed you how. And if you want to add more topics, you can do that as well. So let's say I went to this one here. This is our Sunday Hangout. Maybe it ended up being a tutorial and I want to edit the post topic, I can do that from the post itself. And that's how you would get your topics into the topics section of your group. If you have posts in your group that do not have a topic, you can assign them a topic. So I'm going to just go down here like this one here. This was a very, very nice post that one of our members did concerning me, but I'm not going to set it as a topic. But if let's say I did want to create a topic for reviews or recommendations or something, all I would do is do the 3 little dots on the post, go to add post to unit. Oops, sorry, I don't want to do that. Go to add post topic and at that point, I can add that to a specific topic. Now, if you want to create more topics, all you have to do is go over here, I believe, let me see, I'm not real sure, post, okay, go to over here on the left, post topics, And if you want to create a post topic, that's where you would create one. I'm going to create one that's going to say interviews because I am going to try to see if I can get some of our members on an interview with us in the group so that you can talk about what you love to do and how you can help our audience with whatever it is that they may need help with. So that's how you do that. So I hope this is helpful and beneficial. And if you have any other questions, feel free to send me a private message, post it in the group. If you have a question that you think needs to be asked that the entire membership needs an answer to, and we'll check it out. Thank you so much for being here.